wants to have, kailangan ko ng driver's license. 4 ang malalapit sa akin. Driver's license. Yan, driver's license. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, last 2. Thank you. Okay na yan. Okay, for our last item, 4 ulit ang aking kailangan. Ronald McDonald's wants to have. Kailangan ko ng kahit anong klaseng panyo or bimpo. Panyo or bimpo. So much. Ayan, lahat ng kids natin nag-enjoy. At ilabas na natin yung mga balloons, i-distribute din natin yan. At anong color ng balloons ang gusto mo, Francine? Okay, bigyan yung mga kids natin ng balloons. Ayan, anong color balloons ang gusto mo? A pink. And then, what else? What color you like? You like this? Okay, bigyan sila ate. How about this one? You want blue? You want green? What else? There's no pink, purple. Who likes purple? Anong color? Blue. Okay. You like green? How about you ate? Purple? Red? Yellow? You like yellow? I like yellow. Yellow? You like this one? No? Okay. Ayan, maraming salamat po. I hope na nag-enjoy ba yung mga kids natin? Yes, maraming salamat po, especially kay Mommy and Daddy, and also kay Francine and also Tia, and for celebrating the birthday of Francine Mural McDonald's ng dad. I am your party host po, Kuya Jello. Sa mga gusto maka-experience na ganitong precise and enjoyable na party, pwede po kayo mag-inquire sa any branches of McDonald's. And meron tayo sa Tapua, Lubao, Yupang, Bunuan, and hanapin lang niyo po yung mga local store marketing na nag-wear ng ganitong shirt and light green for only 2,500. Meron na po kayong reservation sa party area. And also, sa gusto makakuha ng discount sa McDonald's app, mag-download na po kayo. And also, nag-launch na po ang aming bagong product na Black Pepper McChicken po. And then meron po tayong bagong flavor ng 3 sauces ng nuggets. Si Classic Ranch, Friday Garlic Aioli, and then si Sweet Chili Plum. And kung gusto nyo pong ma-avail, meron po sa front counter and then also sa McDonald's app. And also meron din tayong bagong selections ng drinks, ang Cool Berry, Lipton Cool Berry. Ayan, pwede po kayong mag-avail sa any branches of McDonald's. And meron sa mga buying cover na gusto nyo mag-avail.
Welcome to my birthday party! The birthday girl!
Once again,